If you're looking to track conversion rates with Apollo.io, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use Apollo.io's powerful tools to monitor your conversion rates and help you optimize your digital marketing efforts. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this video will give you the tips you need to get started. Stick around till the end, and I'll also share how you can use Apollo.io for free with some exclusive bonuses. Apollo.io is a versatile sales intelligence platform that goes beyond just prospecting. One of its standout features is tracking conversion rates. This is crucial for understanding how your campaigns and sales efforts are performing. But how exactly do you track these conversion rates in Apollo.io? Let's dive into that. To start, you'll first want to make sure you have your campaigns set up in Apollo.io, including your email sequences or other sales outreach efforts. When you're running a campaign, Apollo.io automatically tracks metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and most importantly, conversions. This can give you a clear picture of how well your emails or sales calls are turning into actual leads or sales. You'll find this information in the campaigns section of Apollo.io. Here, you can drill down into each specific campaign to view detailed stats. Now, to truly track conversion rates, you'll need to define what a conversion means to you. For some, it might be someone filling out a form. For others, it could be a sale, a demo booked, or even a call answered. Apollo.io lets you customize your goals, which is key to tracking conversions accurately. Once you've set up your campaign goals, Apollo.io provides a real-time dashboard where you can monitor the performance of each element, from emails to calls and meetings. Apollo.io also integrates with your CRM, allowing you to pull conversion data from other platforms, making it easier to track the full sales funnel. This integration ensures that all your data is synchronized, helping you track conversions across multiple touchpoints. You can even create reports to see how different lead sources or marketing efforts are contributing to your conversions. Another great feature of Apollo.io is its ability to segment your data. By separating your leads by specific criteria like industry, company size, or engagement level, you can track conversions for each group individually. This segmentation allows you to see which leads are converting best and tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. If you're working with a team, Apollo.io also provides collaboration tools, letting you track your team's performance on campaigns. You'll see who's hitting their conversion targets and who might need additional support or resources to improve their numbers. This team collaboration feature is especially valuable if you're working in a sales-focused environment. As you track your conversion rates, it's important to constantly optimize. Apollo.io gives you insights into what's working and what's not. Are certain email templates driving higher conversions? Is your messaging resonating better with specific industries? Apollo.io helps you analyze this data so you can adjust your strategy in real time and improve your overall conversion rate. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder. Apollo.io offers a completely free version with limited features, but through the link in the description below, you can access Apollo.io with an extended free trial and some exclusive bonuses that will help you make the most of the platform. Tracking conversion rates with Apollo.io doesn't have to be complicated, and with the right setup, you'll be able to get actionable insights that will help you close more deals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link below to get your hands on the software and start optimizing your conversion rates today.